Welcome back, my children, here at Garage Truths, the only podcast where you can have your smoke, your black label, and your truth all in one. Today, a very special episode. We have the Menini Zuma here. Yes, the very same auntie from Lockdown 5. I'm still not over that thing where you cancel the Zol. I mean, who takes away a man's right to a Zol? You'd rather take my ex-husband's car than take away my Zol, auntie. So, Mrs. Zuma, let's talk straight. When you made those lockdown rules and said, when people Zol, they put saliva on the paper, were you yourself tempted for a lekker Zol at that moment?
No, you see, it was health matter. We had to prevent the spread.
But auntie, here in Brakpan, we don't just share Zols, we share drinks, braai vleis, and every now and then a full-on wrestling match if someone drinks my black label. Anyway, auntie, we braai the germs off at 400 degrees on the grill. You know what made me lose my mind, Zuma? 280 rand for a single box of Stuyvesant Blue. 280 rand, that's not a Zol, that's a down payment on a TAS.
Ish, it wasn't meant to happen like that.
Yeah, but it did happen, Tanny. I had to meet someone behind the spar at night like it was a drug deal, just for a box of smokes. I was this close to lighting up tea bags. Let me ask you honestly, Auntie Zuma, wasn't that saliva and Zol story just maybe a little made up so someone can get rich?
No comment.
Auntie, listen, no judgment here. We believe in second chances and second helpings of ours. It's a safe space, you can tell us.
Okay, fine. I got $10 million from the WHO to stop cigarettes.
Ach no man, $10 million. Ish, I would have stopped selling Zol for just a crate of Black Label.
Please don't tell anyone.
Alright listeners, catch us next Sunday because every Sunday is podcast day. Cheers my children. Shoo, ek's klaar.